I am going to prepare Kumro Kucho Chingri Ghonto, and what I have this small size prawn and Kacha Kumro. The Kumro should be the pumpkin, Kacha Kumro or pumpkin, that I will cut with the skin. Without skin I won't use. So this is one of the lost recipe, or you can say old recipe of Bengal. Do try this recipe and follow the steps. I will start the cooking. So first I will heat some mustard oil, and I have this 200 grams prawn that is marinated with salt and turmeric powder. What else I have for this cooking? So I have this crushed and chopped garlic, and then coriander, and these are pumpkin, baby pumpkin actually, and sliced onion, and one chili. And I have this Kalonji or Kalo zeera, and then I have this turmeric powder, salt, and this one is mustard paste. That's it. And I think the oil is already heated. So first I will fry this prawn batch by batch very carefully. So whenever I am trying this cooking, I have to be very careful the prawn won't be overcooked. So it will be chewy and it won't taste good. So it will be lightly fried. So I'll just fry it. You can see these prawns are lightly fried. Now I will keep it aside and I will start the cooking. In the remaining oil, first I will add some Kalonji or Kalo zeera. Very carefully. So this is a very old recipe. Often in Bengali home, you can see that they are preparing this kind of recipe. It's a very easiest one. So now I will add this chopped garlic. Just saute it, and then I will add this sliced onions, and I have to fry it, not much. So I will fry it. This is the recipe I do with small prawns, Choto Chingri, what we say in Bengali, because all the time we don't like to have the rich malai curry or spicy one. So this is not spicy, but it's very tasty, and moreover you can have it in not only winter, in summer as well. And this point of time I'll add salt and turmeric powder as well. And if you want it hot and spicy, you can add chili at this point, but I will use the chili end of this cooking so that it won't be much thicker. So I have to fry it, little bit fry, and then I will add the pumpkin and I have to soften it. So it's almost translucent. Now I will add the pumpkin or Kacha Kumro, what we say in Bengali. And to prepare it, I will add some water. So here goes the water, and I will cover it till the pumpkins are soft. And now let me check the pumpkins are done or not. So carefully I have to open the lid, and yes, these are soft enough. Now I will add the rest ingredients. So first of all I will add little bit of sugar. This will enhance the taste. So I have sugar. Here goes the sugar. And now I will add the chili. Just a little bit cut, and then I will add it. So a cut here and I will add it. And now Here goes the mustard paste. Mix it properly. And now I will add the prawns I have. So these are half done as I said, and now I will cook it and the prawns will be done. So this is a very easy recipe, and if you want you can prepare it with medium size prawn as well. Big prawn I won't ask you to use the big prawns, that won't be nice, but small or medium prawn, they are good for this one. And this is good with rice. There won't be gravy, so I have to cook a bit. So you can see the gravy is reduced a lot. Now I will switch off the gas, and now I will add some sliced onion, little bit, not much, and drizzle some mustard oil, little bit, and I will finish it with chopped coriander. So Kacha Kumro Chingri curry is done. So this is the recipe I often try at home during winter or during summer. So try this recipe and let me know how is the recipe and what kind of recipe you want to see. Subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube, or you can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen or Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, or for food order you can go through Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen. So till then, bye bye and keep cooking.